Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like.
This is kind of rowdy, naturally aspirated, and big displacement, but at the end of the day, they both make approximately the same horsepower number. I think it'd be pretty sweet if you want to tag along with the Z06 and we could line them up. I think that'd be fun. What do you think?
I think we might have to make that happen.
Let's do it.
Absolutely.
Rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every